Hello, welcome to Skip to Malu's Modern Asian Cooking Series. This is where I share my easy recipes to inspire you guys to go to your kitchen to do the same. For today's episode, I'd like to teach you how to make a very easy recipe, which is lechon paksiw. So, how do you make your paksiw? I make mine really simple. Wala nang gisa-gisa. Total, yung lechon, masarap na as is, di ba? What we need to do lang is to enhance the flavor with the lechon sauce. So, here we go. Ito ang mga sangkap natin. Unang-una, syempre yung lechon sauce, and then we have brown sugar. I always use a half a cup of sugar, pero feel free to add more kung mas gusto mo ng matamis. Then we have durog na pimenta, bay leaf, garlic, onions. Then we have 1/3 cup of soy sauce and then 3/4 cup of suka oyster sauce to enhance the flavor all the more. Okay, simulan na natin. All we need to do is put all the ingredients together and we'll let it simmer. Let's go. Is to mix up everything. There you go. And then ito, and then yung garlic, bay leaf. Dapat punit-punit yung bay leaf mo para lumabas yung flavor, di ba? Then we also have the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. And then yung suka. Sayang, gasan natin yung oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Simmer this up and then add in the lechon. Ganun lang kasimple. Tara na, gawin natin. So, here we go. When we simmer this, wag dating takpan yung ating pot kasi may suka siya. So, hinahayaan ko muna siyang kumulo ng konti para, all the ingredients will, mingle with each other. Mag-party muna sila. Ayan, okay na. Nakalimutan ko ata sabihin kanina na yung leftover lechon kasama sa ingredients yon. Yun ang pinaka-importante, di ba? So, all we need to do is just put everything in. Okay. There you go. And then, let it simmer again and let it reduce to a nice, thick consistency ng sauce. Nakita nyo na kung gaano kadali. It just needs a little love and then ready na siya ulit kainin. Ayan. Kanina pa siya kumukulo. So, buksan na natin. Ang sarap ng amoy. Sana nandito kayo para maamoy nyo. Ayan. Okay na yung lapot niya. So, patayin na natin. Nakita niyo na kung gaano kadali yung lechon paksiw na niluto natin ngayong araw na to. Halika, tikman natin. Siyempre, gusto ko yung may konting taba. Manamis-namis, na maasim-asim. Ang sarap talaga ng pagkahalo niya. Siyempre, may kanin ako. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa segment na to. If you did, why don't you subscribe to my channel dito sa Skip to Malu's Modern Asian Cooking Series. Also, get in touch with me in my Facebook page, Skip to Malu. I hope you could also share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching! Ako si Malu na nagsasabing, that's a wrap! To mix up everything nga. Sorry. As I've said, there. So, ayan mga kaibigan, kung may natutunan kayo sa segment na to, go ahead and hanggang sa muli,